Hello student, welcome to my class of computer subject for class 10th. Student, in last class we have understand what is internet, what is services of www and what are the advantage of networking. In this video student, we are going to understand how to access the internet and internet service provider. So here, first of all, we will go through to the study material first. You can see, to use internet we need an internet connection. Okay, and internet connection are provided by internet service provider. So underline this student, internet service provider such as Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, that is BSNL, Airtel, MTS, Vodafone and Tata Docomo, etc. So student, in other words, we can say that if we are going to access the internet, we need to have a internet connection. That means to say we have a active connection. And second one thing, the internet connection provided by company or organization which are known as internet service provider. They named as like Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, Airtel, MTS, Vodafone, Tata Docomo. Basically these are telecommunication or telecom companies. Okay, and now we are going to discuss in detail what are, I am to say, who is internet service provider. So here, as study material, an internet service provider, that is also known as ISP, is an organization. So underline this one thing student. So ISP is an organization which provides you with access to internet. Okay, so simply we can say that ISP, that is internet service provider, is an organization, okay, which provides you to access the internet. How? Via dial-up connection. Okay, dial-up means simply phone line connection using obvious modem, or direct connection, that is hardwire or wireless connection. Okay student, so here by two methods we can access the internet service provided by internet service provider using dial-up connection, okay, using modem, or direct connection, that means to say wireless connection. Now how to choose the connectivity? I mean to say, choosing the connectivity actually depends upon ISP rating in market or in a social market. For example, if you are purchasing the internet services from Airtel as compared to the BSNL or other one thing, okay, other one internet service provider, so you can see these internet service provider having their own details, I mean to say restrictions. Somewhere internet service is costly as compared to the other internet service provider, and somewhere internet is very high speed with lower payment also, like this also. So choosing connectivity depends on the availability of particular technology also. So there are two reasons to select the one of the internet service provider: the availability of the service provider nearby you, okay, which provides you better technology, okay, and second one thing, their plans and speed also. So we are talking it according to the theoretical part. Choosing connectivity depends on availability of particular technology, that is speed and connection type in area. Okay, so whatever connection provided by internet service provider, okay, that is also depends on that. Usually small and medium business users or home user use the connectivity type such as DSL. Okay, so we are talking about connection type now. So actually students, business user or home user are using the connectivity type DSL. DSL mean digital subscriber line, okay, or cable modem, maybe dial-up also, broadband, wireless, WiMAX or 3G services also. In earlier time, before the 4G, the 3G is used in mobile phone. Nowadays all person, most of 95% are using the internet connection in laptop, I mean to say laptop, desktop, okay, I mean to say computer also. To do the same facility in higher devices like smartphone, I mean to say smart board, okay, or laptop or desktop, we need to have select one of the connection type like DSL, cable modem, dial-up connection, broadband, wireless, WiMAX, etc. 3G is available for what thing? Mobile also, okay, and it is now upgraded version, that is 4G, okay, and 5G. Actually, medium to large business user to the customer with a more demanding require maybe high speed connectivity, okay. So these are the technology which are used by small home user and business, okay. And if the large business user want the internet connectivity services, they will select their connectivity, okay, with high speed connectivity such as the DSL with high speed, IDSN, etc. So student, we have learned today how to get the access to the internet. If I want to access the internet, I have to contact with the ISP, that is internet service provider, okay. And second one thing, who is ISP? ISP is actually organization, okay, which provides me the facility to access the internet, okay. They will provide me services through the two medium, either the dial-up connection using modem, or second one thing, direct connection, maybe through the wireless connection, okay. And next one thing, how I can select the ISP? First of all, availability of the ISP in my nearby area. Second one thing, speed and their packages and type of connectivity or connection, okay. And next one thing we have learned today, that is small user and I mean to say home user and small business user can use the connectivity like DSL, normal DSL, cable modem, dial-up connection, broadband services, and WiMAX or 3G also. And big I mean to say medium or large business user customer definitely demanding the high speed internet connectivity, which may be one of them is a DSL of high speed and ISDN, etc. So student, today we have learned getting access to the internet and internet service provider. I hope you are learning well. Till then, thank you student and have a nice day.